How to fix your Tinder payment not working. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your internet connection, because a poor connection can also cause payment failures. You can try switching to your Wi-Fi or mobile data and try again later. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and check if there are any updates available for the application itself. Go to your App Store or Play Store and simply go ahead and check it. You can also try to ensure that your card details are correct, so valid, and also has sufficient balance. By the way, if you're on an Android device, you can simply go ahead and clear cache, or on an iOS device, you can offload and reinstall the application. You can also try to do a simple restart, which can fix temporary issues preventing payments. You can also try another method, which is going to be, if the issue continues, try another card or payment method. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.